In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a membership on Payhip. This tutorial will guide you through creating a membership product with all its features and options, so you can manage and offer your exclusive content with ease. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to add a new product to your Payhip account. Begin by navigating to your Products page. Next, click on Add New Product. You'll be presented with several product options, and for this purpose, choose the Membership option. You are now on your way to offering your members the valuable content they're seeking. Once you've selected the Membership option, it's time to configure the details of your membership. Start by entering a descriptive and inviting title for your membership. This title is what will attract potential members, so make it informative and enticing. Next, you'll need to set the pricing model. Decide whether you want to charge a one-time fee or opt for a recurring subscription, both of which have their own advantages based on the type of content you provide and your audience's preferences. After selecting your pricing model, define the billing frequency. This could be weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on how you wish to structure access and payments. You might also consider offering a free trial period. This can serve as a great incentive for potential members to try your membership without an immediate financial commitment. Another option you may want to set up is a custom first payment amount, if you'd prefer an introductory rate for new members. With your membership configured, it's time to add content posts. Navigate to the Posts tab, where you can begin creating content that your members will access. Click on Create New Post to start sharing your valuable insights and resources. Payhip offers 6 different types of posts, giving you flexibility in how you deliver content. You can create a text post for articles, updates, or newsletters. Video posts are perfect for instructional clips, tutorials, or simply adding a visual touch to your content. If images are more your style, image posts allow you to showcase artwork, photography, or diagrams. Link posts give you the ability to share external resources or articles, which can be particularly valuable if you frequently recommend content from other creators. Poll posts can engage your members by allowing them to share their opinions or vote on topics you present. Finally, embed posts provide a way to include content from other platforms, such as social media or music, directly into your membership page. With these tools, you now have the capability to craft a robust and engaging membership offering on Payhip. Take your time setting up each step to ensure everything is tailored to your audience's needs. With careful setup, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving community. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I wish you all the best as you start your membership journey on Payhip.